So this is reformatting some planter boxes in the front yard. These were 4 feet across in that L shape, and it was very hard to get to the back area by the fence. So I'm in the process of cutting these in half to make them 24 inches wide. They're a foot deep. So yeah, this is as far as I can reach, and it's really, especially this back corner, it's extremely hard to get back there. Here are the planter boxes after they've been cut in half and put back together. Wasn't super hard. The soil in there is very good. So I kept all the soil, and you can see I can get back in this corner comfortably now. I left the kale alone for the time being. But yeah, these are much more user-friendly, and they look a lot more useful too.